Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for making notes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT as a smart note making assistant in several ways depending on what you're studying. So one of the most useful ways that I like to do is turn long text into short notes. So we can paste in here. So first things first, go to ChatGPT. We can paste in the textbook paragraphs, articles, PDFs, even lecture transcripts, then ask it to summarize this into a concise study notes. So for example, I've got this article here on Britannia. So this is about space-time. So what I want to do is just click on Control A. I know it's going to highlight everything on this page, even the side bits, but that doesn't matter. And then we want to copy this and then come back to ChatGPT and then say summarize this into concise study notes. And then I'm just going to paste in what I've got over there and then hit enter. So as you can see, it's going to go ahead and summarize this into study notes. So we can scroll down here and check it out. So instead of reading the whole lot, it's just going to put it into nice, neat, uniform notes for us to read a little bit easier. Now we can do this for videos as well, or images that has text on it, or PDFs. So just go ahead and upload. Just click on the plus icon, and then we want to go ahead and add from library, or we can just drag and drop your files into the chat and say the same thing, and it's going to spit out study notes.